I'm Trevor Chown. I've worked at United Engineering for about a month and a week. It all started when my career counselor at school, Mr. Rhodes, asked me if I would be interested in doing a program through the South Island Partnership. And I did a trades exploration program at Camosun, which gave me a little taste of everything, and I decided that welding was what I wanted to get into. So then I did my 40 hours of work experience, and he got me through into the South Island Partnership and into Camosun. The idea of doing the Skills Canada competition was brought up to me by my teacher, Jim Stratford, and he thought I would have a good chance at winning it, so he thought I should compete.